Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and as some of you know, on my trip to the Born Pretty store, I picked up some new gels in the jars when I was searching the spider gels, right? And I picked these up, and as you saw on my haul, these are labeled elastic drawing gel right there. So I have them here in red, black, and white. However, I did discover in attempting to use these as what I was, how I expect the spider gel to be used. I actually discovered that these are, there's probably a reason why they call it elastic gel. It's really not a true spider gel, and I will demonstrate. That's why I'm here. I was not asked to do a review on these, but I wanted to do a video so that you'll know what to expect when you purchase these, and show you how they work, how they are different. You can draw with them, but you cannot sit. I did found that so it's like an elastic gel, but they do not stretch out. They don't have the stretch length. They don't stretch out as far as what you would expect from a spider gel. Hopefully that's making sense. And I will demonstrate here. I have these tips. So I went ahead and did 2 black and 2 reds, or 2 blacks and 2 whites, so that I can test all 3 colors, because at the time that I tested them out, they seemed yeah, I think it was the white one. They didn't seem to be consistent on the elasticity among the 3 of them. So let me show you what I mean. Let's start out with the first. Let's see which one this is. The red one. And let me go ahead and put a piece of. So starting out with the red one, and I'm going to use my water marble tool. And I did 2 black ones because I want to see how pigmented this red is over black. So first let me show you. Okay, I didn't go very deep there, but if I go all the way and pull this out, I barely get an inch before it starts. See, there you go. See, hopefully you were able to see. There's no way I can turn this horizontally to make it more obvious. But yeah, I can barely go an inch before it weights itself right now, okay? And it just disconnects itself. But let me show you a trick on how you can use this type of elastic gel. Let's go here with the white first. So with what I already have on this tool right here, scoot this over to the side. What I already have here, rather than dragging it here, see, because if I try to, okay, so let me just go ahead and show you here what I mean. If you press this down and see, you can get it. It's pretty neat. So then if you touch down, you can get it to pull again and again, and then it just starts thinning out. And then to disconnect it, I just pull it out right over itself and it disconnects. And I will also say, I might start this one over, if you leave this without curing it, the longer you leave it in here, it's going to start settling, so those lines are going to start getting wider, okay, because they will flatten down. So if you have this at a desired look with the width of those lines, you better work quickly and then insert it pretty fast in the lamp to get them to cure and keep that consistent look, okay? Let me show you something else. Let's go over the black here since I already have it. So I do like this, how I can make, so let me wait for it to disconnect, because I just wanted to kind of, it's like loading your pen. And I'm going to stick this, run into the lamp and stick it in there. Let me get it to disconnect. And it's just doing a flash cure in the lamp. And let's do 10 seconds. Okay, I got it out. Look, I made an N. I know it's upside down for you guys, but now I can make an A. So for letters that are like straight, I'm gonna pull and disconnect, and it's gonna go into the lamp right away because I want to keep those fine lines. That's 5 seconds. That should be enough to keep it from moving. Now I can finish the letter A. Just be careful in disconnecting it. Yeah, now for curvy lines, yeah, that could be a challenge unless you go dot, 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 dot. It's like playing connect the dots. So yeah, try doing a circle for like my Q. But that turned out to be challenging. And I didn't leave myself enough room here for anything else. But see that? There's my N and my A, and I'm liking how, yeah, it's got pretty good pigmentation over the black. I really think so. And by the way, so these base colors, I finished this up. I applied my black and my white gels, but I finished them with the top coat. So I am working right over a finished base with top coat. Yeah, so, and I haven't cured this fully, but let me go ahead and do that. Okay, I went ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. Now let's go ahead and play with the white one. And I could mimic some spider gel designs, but again, I have seen some work done with spider gel. The spider gel that it allows for very long stretching of the gel that I attempted to do with this, and I was not able to. But you can attempt to do some, I mean, like the stringies, if you do this, okay, you can manage to do that. And, I don't know, let's come up with something random here. And I'm going to put this in the lamp because I don't want those to spread just yet. Now I have the black one here, and let me see if I wipe my tool. Let me see if I can get you to see. I'm holding this semi-horizontal, and of course it's curving, but see how soon it breaks. I can't stretch it more. I mean, at the max maybe 2 inches, but yeah, it probably depends how deep I go into the pot. Now let's play with this black one against a white backdrop here, and maybe we'll try to do, now I've seen maybe some like a, I don't know, let's see, something galaxy like, not necessarily. Let's see if I can go in here. And I will prefer that to be thinner. Oh, it went into my other nail. Let me go ahead and flash cure it. Okay, so I did a flash cure on that. And I have not put this back in the pot. It's whatever I have left. Gotta get it to touch. Sometimes you can try to go. Let's see. So here are my tests, and these are all fully cured. Now I'm going to head and prep my nails with, I did the base color is this one. It's a one-step gel by Madam Glam. The name of it is Subtle Flame. It's a light green semi-sheer. I did have to do 3 coats. It's got some glitter in there. I really want to, so I'm going to use my the only good foil that I have, not a cheapy brand. This is, I didn't even buy this. This was a gift when I purchased some cat eye gel polishes from Russia years ago, and this was sent in the package as a gift, and it's the only foil that I've been able to use even with more gel polish to stick. I have tons and tons of cheapy foil and none of them work. So in this one's it's not gold, it's more of a coppery color, and I find that it looks very pretty against this green. So let's give this one a test with that elastic gel. Okay guys, I also went ahead and put some latex around my 2 middle fingernails, which are the ones that I'm going to work on. This one has already gone clear. I don't know if I will end up getting some on my skin or not, but just in case, I'm going to work with the black one. And let's see. Yeah, it's kind of like loading your pen with ink. See what happens. I don't even know what I want to make. That's like way too thin. And I'm going to be running this to the lamp very quick. Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell, I guess, until you get some practice how much to load on your tool. Which way do I want to go? Stretch it, and let's run in the lamp. Okay, let's see what else can I do. Improvising, guys, just improvising. Let's close the triangle. And yeah, I'm going over it twice if the first one felt like it was too thin. Disconnect. I don't want you to go anywhere else. I feel like I have too much on my, maybe if I start from here, is this gonna be wrong? I don't know. Disconnect. Yeah, I think that's gonna be okay. Alright, let's do something on my ring nail. Oh, I don't like how that one came out. I could always wipe this off, right, and start over, but nah, let's leave it. Managed not to get any on my skin, even though I still have the latex. Let's see if at this point, let's go for this foil. Oh, got some on that latex. I forgot about that. Do not want that foil and latex. No, no. It is sticking, guys. Wow, this is so pretty. I should remove the foil before doing this. I mean, not the foil, the latex. So I can do this with more confidence. I feel like I'm having to work around this. Of course, the thicker parts of the gel are picking up the foil the best, right? Oh, that looks very pretty. Okay, I don't know what kind of mess I have here right against the, right there. I think it's going, see, that's the waste. I'm removing this latex. So I have removed the latex and now I feel better doing this more freely. And anything that you get in between, like see that I got a little bit inside, that's, I can easily remove that with acetone, because remember this is a gel. And yes, I can tell it did pick up some right on that fine line, but again, you know, it's, you know, the thicker the areas are more noticeable are going to be where the gel is thicker. That looks pretty cool, guys. Oh, if any of you are very good at drawing snowflakes with this, that will be a very pretty design. I'm not good at drawing snowflakes. Things that you guys can do is with a stamping plate that has images like these, you know, like these straight lines, you can stamp these on your nails. Like I went ahead and stamped this image right here on my pinky and my index, and then you can trace them. So let's see how good I do at that. And yeah, as you can guess, the challenge here is going to be getting the thickness to be consistent. But let's see, and knowing when to disconnect. So this image already has some dots there, but I'm obviously going to end up with more than just what it's on the original image, because I do have to be able to disconnect the gel. Okay guys, so this is the final result. This is after I went ahead and did my pinky off camera. After this first experience, I noticed, okay, so I will say the less busy the design is that you might want to trace, the better. Kind of got kind of messy here when I got to my pinky, but this is, I've already finished them with top coats, so because you do want to protect that foil. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think of this demonstration? Yeah, so it does take a learning curve getting the gist of it, you know, knowing how much of that gel to pick up, how deep into the pot to, you know, to go when you're loading your quote-unquote pen tool, you know, to pull them out here. But one thing that I wanted to get out there is, so I wanted you to know what to expect from this elastic gel. What can you do and what you cannot do. And maybe it's I'm just don't have the experience enough with regular spider gel, but no matter how much I will try to stretch this to do some other type of design, it doesn't have that long elasticity lifeline that you would expect from the typical spider gel. But you can do some drawings with it, and I do like how I can do some straight line alphabet letters there, so that's pretty cool, and something a little bit more simpler like that. So let me know what you guys think below. If you have questions, I'll be happy to answer. If you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you will give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.